Hey, I'm Jay from the Burnout Show, and I'm going to do a brief product review on my Hobart welder. I personally love this thing. I've only worked with probably about 5 welders in my life thus far. One of them was a stick welder, a couple of them were MIGs. I highly recommend using gas with welding. You'll hear that pretty much anywhere. But I've fallen in love with this Hobart welder. This one specifically is a 140. I think it's called a handler. Yeah. And that one there it's not super expensive, but this will do awesome MIG welding with gas. And once again, I found it perfect for all the projects I do. Anything from sheet metal to maybe something 1/4 of an inch thick or a 1/2 inch thick, it could do. Obviously, when you get to thicker metals, it'll struggle more. However, the size of this welder is very versatile for car stuff, especially what the Burnout Show does. A few things about it that I love. I got a cart that perfectly fits it. This one's obviously a different shaped cart than the tall ones you can buy, but it fits on this cart perfect, and it came with a little case in the front and then a storage underneath. The tank sits right on the back. What I run in here is 75% argon, 25% CO2. That's what I have in this tank. I think that's the case with most welders, but I'm not a welding expert. I will say about this welder specifically is with gas and sheet metal, you're actually way likely to just burn straight through it. So I have a Hobart, I think it's a 90 amp welder that doesn't have gas. That one actually handles sheet welding okay and thin metal, because you don't just burn right through it like you would with gas. Other than that, I highly recommend this. I'm not sure what these welders are going for nowadays, but I bought it brand new and it has served me so well. Once again, that's just a brief product review of this Hobart Handler 140 MIG welder with gas. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more of the tools that we use in the shop for the cars that we work on, be sure to mention it down in the comment section. But that's all for this Burnout Extra. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.